Replacing pipeless motors. Locate and disconnect the power cord of the motor to be replaced. Gently remove the jet cover using the removal tool. Use a handheld Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws on the faceplate. Turn each screw counterclockwise approximately 1 to 3 times, but do not remove them. Gently pull the motor towards the center of the foot basin. Mark the 2 air hoses as left and right, and then disconnect from the fittings. Pull the power cord through. Clean the basin surface and remove any debris. Wipe down and dry. Determine the correct and upright position of the new motor. Slip the power cord through, and attach the 2 air hoses as marked. Ensure the gasket is flush against the wall of the base. Following the tightening pattern, use a handheld